She looks beautiful, and it's my Aunt Lindsay's wedding.
I'm excited, anxious. Only a couple more hours, so the countdown's killing me.
Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you.
Oh, I didn't know that was here.
Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will.
Yeah, it's still not real yet. Still hasn't sunk in. I really only have an hour or so left. And it'll be super real when that 100-pound dress is on.
You wear white and I wear out the words I love you.
I think it looks beautiful. I'm so excited. Yay!
Now that the wait is over, and love has finally showed her my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will. Marry me.
We're here at the Birdsong Barn in Titusville, ready for Sean and Lindsay's wedding. We're hot, we're dressed, we survived the bachelor party, and the groom is anxious to get married and start the rest of his life.
You know I'd fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do, 'cause everything that don't make sense about me makes sense when I'm with you. Like everything that's green, girl, I need you. But it's more than one and one makes two. Put aside the math and the logic of it. You gotta know you want it too. 'Cause I wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted, and I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Yeah, I wanna make you feel wanted.
Tell us how you're feeling now.
No, I don't think it's quite real yet. Not yet. Maybe when this is all laced up and I can't breathe, it'll feel real. Said I heard my groom showed up. That's exciting. Reassuring.
You get that all the time, I know you do. But your beauty's deeper than the makeup, and I wanna show you what I see tonight when
Fine. I thought I would be a blubbering mess, and I'm fine.
I kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted, and I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever, never let you forget it. 'Cause baby, I wanna make you feel wanted.
Well, just got Sis in her dress. She looks beautiful. She's holding it together great. I'm so proud of her and Sean.
Jump in there.
Thank you. I haven't cried all day.
I should have.
looks fantastic.
Hi, babe. Shoot, I haven't cried all day. Can't wait to marry you in less than an hour. You and your black eye. I can't breathe. My dress is too tight, but I love you, and I'll see you soon.
All I ever want.
Don't fall.
I just wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss.
See how beautiful you are.
Now I'm gonna cry.
Wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Yeah, I wanna make you feel wanted, and baby, I wanna make you feel.
Lady, cannot wait for this moment. It's been a long time coming. Can't sleep. I'm just excited. It's been an amazing few years so far. I can't wait for the rest of the time.
Dear friends and family, we're gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition to the worth and to the beauty of committed holy matrimony, and to give our best wishes in this holy matrimony covenant, which binds Sean and Lindsay together in marriage, as Christ took the church as his bride, making his eternal covenant with the body of believers in the church, so shall this union be bound in the same instruction of love eternal. Marriage is an institution created and blessed by God, our Father. So we invite God the Father, Jesus the Son, the Comforter, and the Holy Spirit to be here present and bless and guide our wedding ceremony this day. This is why a man leaves his father and mother and is united to his wife, and they become one flesh. Repeat after me, Sean. I, Sean, take you, Lindsay, to be my wife.
I, Sean, take you, Lindsay, to be my wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow before God and all present here today.
My solemn vow before God and all present here today.
And Lindsay in the same manner. I, Lindsay, take you, Sean, to be my husband.
I, Lindsay, take you, Sean, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer or for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
This my solemn vow before God and all present here today.
This is my solemn vow before God and all present today.
Hey, pretty girl, wanna take you home. My mama's gonna love you. She'll make me sleep on the couch, I know. Hey, pretty girl, wanna take you home. Hey, pretty girl, let's build
Lindsay, take this ring as a sign of my love and commitment to you.
Okay.
She said okay.
My turn. Sean, take this ring as a sign of my love and commitment to you.
Gladly.
Okay.
With God as my witness, under the authority granted in me through the state of Florida, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You now may kiss the bride. So I'm pleased to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Sean and Lindsay Buckmaster.
Like a fool, I went and stayed too long. I'm wondering if your love's still strong. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Then that time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours.
Love you.
Here I am, baby. Oh, you got my future in your hands. Here I am, baby. You got my future in your hands. Yeah, yeah, didn't I? Oh, baby. Seen a lot of things in this old world. When I touch them, there means nothing, girl. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. I'm yours. Ooh, we think you set my soul on fire. That's why I know you're my only desire. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Here I am, baby. Whoa, you got my future in your hand, baby. Here I am, baby. You got my future in your hand, baby. Yeah, I've done a lot of foolish things that are written in me. I can be a broken man, but here I with the future, got the future, baby. Here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, baby, here I am, baby.
When you guys were up there getting married, I just felt like it was the beginning of the best couple ever.
I can't believe you're married, Lindsay. I can't believe it. I'm so excited for you both.
You look beautiful. It was perfect. Sean, I'm so happy that you make her so happy.
So many nights trying to hide it, but now I stay awake just pleading for more. To think this heart was divided, I'm losing sleep, 'cause I can't ignore feeling your touch all around, and peacefully hearing the sound of silence around us. I'm so glad we found us this way. Yeah. Find me here in your arms now. I'm wondering where you've always been.
All right, now before I finish, I believe it's customary to give a few words of wisdom to Sean. Remember the words that make marriage work. And if a man gives in when he's wrong, he's considered wise. If a man gives in when he's right, well, he's probably married. To Lindsay, treat Sean as he should be treated. Have him in bed by 7 p.m. In all seriously, though, Sean, it has been a great honor to have been your best man here today, and more importantly, to have you as a brother and a friend over the last 30 years. And I sincerely wish the both of you the happiest of marriages and the best of what life has to offer.
I've known Sean his whole life, and he's the most compassionate, kind, and caring man that I know. And I'm honored to say that I am his brother. And I'm so happy that he found his soulmate in Lindsay, someone to share his life with him, all the ups and downs, you know, the trials and tribulations. Just know that your family will be there for you, your friends will be there for you, and most importantly, God will be there for you, looking out for you and looking over you.
You are my little sister, and you mean more to me than you can imagine. The relationship we share has made us who we are and will forever be. I'm proud to say you are our one and only sissy. We're best friends by choice, sisters by chance. You are my rock and truly are my best friend. Sean, as cliche as this may sound, I truly couldn't have handpicked a better partner for my sister. Your devotion to her is truly beautiful to me. My wish for you is that you fall in love with each other more and more every day. Remember the love you feel for each other today, and know that this is your glue, your gift to each other. This is your destiny, where you're meant to be. Seeing you two happy and so in love is an inspiration to all of us. So, Mr. and Mrs. Buckmaster, bring on the babies!
Sean, it was so special tonight to be able to share your wedding with you, your special day. You've become a wonderful man of integrity. I couldn't have asked for anything better.
I've had the pleasure of watching the two of you together over the years, and I know in my heart that this is a good bond.
When we had our father-daughter dance, I was thinking about the first time I saw you, and that little squeaky noise you made, and all the stuff that we went through together as you're growing up. And it's just like the song says, that I saw you first, and I knew that someday you would meet the person you loved. Well, now you finally have. I love you so very much, honey.
Closing time. Open all the doors and let you out into the world. Closing time. Turn all of the lights on over every boy and every girl. Closing time. One last call for alcohol, so finish your whiskey or beer. Closing time. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I know who I want to take me home. I know who I want to take me home. I know who I want to take me home. Take me home. I know who I want to take me home. I know.
Hey, darling.
Hi, sweetheart.
I love that you have a black eye.
You know,
Not.
things happen. But
And I'm sorry that I threw cake in your face when I didn't want you to throw it in mine.
it's okay, darling.
But I love you.
I still love you.
And we're married.
It's all good. I
And
got
we're
you back
go-
a little bit,
Okay.
you know,
And we're going to Jamaica tomorrow.
today.
And-
My image of you will be forever ingrained. Of first seeing you, walking down the aisle, hair blowing in the wind, you and Daddy. It was so unreal, and I would just cherish it forever and cherish you forever.
I love you.
Love you.
Closing time. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning.